What is your position on the proposed Wayne County, the RISA millage?
I am opposed to the Wayne County millage for a couple of reasons. In fact, the resolution will be, we'll be talking about it Monday at the board table. This is a countywide resolution. There's 34 districts. I'll try to do this in 60 seconds, very difficult. 34 school districts, 260,000 students. If half of that number, school districts equal to half of that number in enrollment, that goes on the ballot. So Detroit at 92,000, that gives you have to come up with 3 other districts. That means 4 districts can decide to put that on the ballot for 34 districts. And if it goes on the ballot, it will pass. In our district, we will raise some money, but we'll be a donor district. We may raise about $6 million, but we're going to give away about $10 million. And so some people say leave it up to the voters. Well, the problem is Detroit, with its large voting bloc, can determine the outcome of that election. And whether Livonia votes it down or not, we're going to have to pay that money.
Mr. Johnson, same question.
Well, that's a real hot issue right now. And part of the problem that I see is we as the board could vote in favor of it or could vote against it. And that's what the issue is at this point, is whether or not the board is going to vote in favor of putting it on the ballot or not. And whether or not you're going to leave it up to the... I turned it off.
Okay. Is the clock still running? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
And I had turned it off, too.
Okay.
No, it won't turn off.
Okay.
No, I'll just kill it. I'm sorry about that. I think the problem is that even if Livonia decided against it, putting it on the ballot, you could still lose. And then you're imposing that on the citizens of the city of Livonia. One school of thought is leave it up to the voters. I just have a problem of sending some of our money to some other districts, and we'd only get 60 cents on the dollar.